What up, Z Squad? Back again with another video. Right now I'm at my bro Marquis' house. Pressure washing. I'm trying to clean up their little spot where they be at and all that. I'm gonna show you how the puppies in a second. But I'm gonna show you how these bikes too. He got a motorcycle right here. Marquis, what's the name of your bike? A Kawasaki ZX-10R. And then we got a Raptor right here. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around for y'all. Oh, snap. I almost stepped in the doodle water. Yeah. These them big boy toys. I'm about to get a motorcycle, y'all. Just wait on it. That's what we about to be doing on the Z Squad channel. That's what we doing. Look at the doodle water, y'all. Puppies right now. Yeah, when I get back to the house, I'm gonna show y'all the progress we made on the Ford Focus. Let y'all see what we did so far. I see the Raptor though. It's my boy Logan 4-wheeler. Y'all see it. Oh, this gas tank hot as hell. I think honestly, y'all, I'm done drinking. Like I really decided I'm done drinking liquor. I don't even want to drink liquor no more. It's like every time I've been drinking liquor, y'all, it's just always been happening. Like the worst things been happening. Like, and then you gotta sit there next morning, recant, try to think about everything that happened. And yeah, I think I'm done with the liquor, yeah. But yeah, besides that, right now I'm trying to post as much as I really could. But life been crazy, y'all. Like life is really crazy, y'all. But I'm still staying afloat out here. Trying to stay righteous, you know. Think positive of all, even though all this negative stuff be going on around me, I still be trying to think positive. But yeah, I started the LLC. I don't know if I haven't told y'all about that, but I started the LLC. So I'm about to start seeing what I could do with that moving forward on actually trying to start this business. I'm not gonna just continue to just flip cars, even though I ain't even get started flipping cars. But I'm already thinking like further from just selling cars. Like I want to do more than that. So I just started an EIN, or I got my EIN made for my business. And the name of the business is gonna be J&B Automotive. Probably start a car dealership as my first business. All right, y'all, we about to pull up to the gas station real quick. Yeah, I can see the weather. Gotta get some gas. I'm on literally like I'm right there. But it's 93 degrees out. Nice out today. There's a lot of traffic back there. I had to put the camera down. You know, I'm still holding the phone. I ain't got the little tripod thing yet. I'm gonna up there and get this gas real quick. Get the lights real quick. Yeah, it's hot, boy. It's hot out here, man. Alright, we done leaving out the store. Oh my God. It's so hot, it make you not even want to be outside, man. I know I keep saying that, yeah, but y'all gotta feel it to understand what I'm feeling. My lips feel tapped as hell. Man, son. Cutting up. Turn this AC off. Roll this window down. Hey, it was feeling good though. Give y'all a little POV. Cutting up. Not really though. Just cruising, not cutting up. That's all I'm doing right now, honestly. Cruising. Wish I could play some music, get the vibes better for you guys. But I can't. Sheesh. But yeah, my goal, man, is literally to just have a foundation for my kids to be proud of, man. That's my plan, man. Like, I don't want to be sitting out here wasting time, catching bogus cases, doing dumb shit. Like, I don't got time for that, man. I ain't worked this hard to get where I'm at just to throw it away, you feel me? Gotta really think about stuff like that, honestly, in this era, man. You never know how this day is gonna be. Things be right one day, the next day everything go left, honestly. Ooh, damn, all these bumps, goddamn. All right, Z Squad, this is just some of the work we did. Remember I told you I went and grabbed this from the auction, from the scrapyard when we grabbed this fender. Remember it was already dented up right here. Got a little bit of space right here, but I'm gonna get that together. Got the headlight. Honestly, from then and now, I'm gonna put a before and after. Just gotta clean this thing up now for the most part. Alright, Z Squad, this is the progress we made so far. We took off the front left fender, driver's side fender. Got that removed. I think I'm gonna try to salvage this if I could, because it looked like it could be saved, but I don't know. But I'm gonna try to salvage it. I'm gonna try to save it. Well, these tires look basically good. These tires is new. I didn't notice that. These tires is good. Are they the same all around? That says a lot about a car. Evolux. That's what those ones is. Same thing in the back. Same on this side. Evolux. That's good. So that means whoever had this car, they will maintain their car. All the tires go all around, all the way around. Like literally. But alright, this is the inside of the hood. Got all of that back in place. What I'm thinking about doing is just pushing this over a little bit more. Like, I'm gonna try to just push it over a little bit more. I'm gonna try to get that on camera for y'all. Gotta get some new headlights, but that's the assembly for the headlights right here. Head bulbs, not no headlights. I gotta get some new head bulbs. Everything else in here is good, especially on this side for the support. Nothing cracked up, nothing broken. Headlights in place. I messed up on this, but I'm gonna use some JB Weld to get this together. Very quick fix, real quick. So I know this is gonna be good and stay in place. Other than that, you looking good, yeah. Looking good. Probably add some more coolant in here too, cause you on the empty side. Yeah. Add some more coolant in there. Make sure y'all stay in tune for the channel, and if you didn't like or subscribe, make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll know every time I drop a new video. If you need help with, or you trying to step in the field of trying to sell cars, flip cars, get a dealer's license, you know, helping everybody. Shorty too flashy. Shorty too flashy.
We have a mission.
Stone.